If you had a secondary suite on a second story or a main floor, then there is an option of a escape window with a casement window. In this particular case, it's got some maximum sizes. Again, the 300 or the 2 foot 11 from the floor to the sill. And then you have a maximum 5 meters to adjacent ground level. Now, it says ground, so it doesn't necessarily say a roof or a deck or anything else. It says ground, so there may be some differing interpretations of that. Um, and so could be an option for an escape window. And let's be frank, this type of window is something where someone would open the window and use one of those temporary ladders, like those rope ladders, to get out or something. Or the fire department could assist them in getting out this escape window.
Yeah, with the new code, the 2024 building code, they added a new rule that your windows can't have that your sills can't be lower than 900 millimeters, or you need a guard or a fixed window. So if you have a proposal for this, it's important to maybe write in great big red letters, 900 millimeters exactly, because in this specific case, we can't be over 900 and we can't be under, or it just won't work.
Very good point. If you're over 900, you don't meet the escape window requirement. If you're under 900, you require a limiter or a guard, which would then not allow you to use the escape window. Yes, that's a tough one.